Hey guys, I'm sitting here with a Honda CRV 2.2 diesel 2008 model. Has an enormous vibration. I've read on the internet this is a common problem. Everybody reckons that you have to buy a brand new set of shafts with inner and outer CVs directly from the agents. It's not necessary. Here's the fix. This is a 6mm spacer made out of hard steel. So what you do is this, you pop off the wheel, let me take a seat, and then you take off the linkage that connects it to the steering rod, and then you undo these three bolts at the bottom of the yoke. This is the outer CV. As you can see, it's pulled out. So the bearing on this one is fine. The CV, the outer CV has got no play on it. It's fine. It's the inner CV that is actually the problem that's causing this. So it's worn out. As you can see, there's a lot of grease that was flinged here. So I've replaced the bearings, but it hasn't helped because it has indentations on the inside of the inner. They call it the bell. So this spacer over here, this is quite interesting fix. As you can see, everything is quite beveled and round. So what happens is this spacer just pops on over here. This is 31.5mm, the middle hole, and the outside diameter, I had it cut by an engineer, is 60mm. The reason why is, if you look inside here, let me just use a different hand. There we go. This has to fit inside there. So you don't have to worry about the bearing because the bearing is connected to these splines. As you can see, when I turn it, it all turns simultaneously. So this is still the inside of the bearing. So this needs to grip firmly. Hence the wide sides of the spacer, because this will help giving maximum coverage on that bearing. So I'm going to pop that in. This is going to push this 6mm deeper, meaning the new bearings will run on a new surface just 6mm next to the old worn out section. Vibration gone, do it left and right, problem sorted. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks. Cheers.